Hi, I'm Christy Rost. I'm excited because today I'm fixing one of my all-time favorites, fajitas. But not just any fajitas. These are grilled flat iron steak fajitas with roasted hatch chiles. So let's get started. So this is a flat iron steak. It's extremely tender, well marbled, and very flavorful. So I'm going to make a dry rub for it. I have 1 large clove of garlic, which I peeled and minced, a teaspoon of smoked sea salt, a ½ teaspoon of cumin, some freshly ground pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon, and some hatch green chile powder. And you'll find this in your grocery store. I'm going to add about 1/4 teaspoon. Stir this together. And then I'm going to rub this into my flat iron steak. Just rub it in there. And I'll turn it over and do the other side. In the meantime, I have my grill preheating. And I'm going to cook this at medium heat. And if you have a little bit of the dry rub left over, then sprinkle it on top of the mixture of green and red bell pepper strips and sliced sweet onion. So this is ready for the grill. So the meat is all done. I cooked it 4 minutes on the first side, turned it over, 3 minutes on the second side. The vegetables are lightly charred. The peppers also are charred, and then I put them into a plastic bag to steam so I can pull the skin off of them. And my tortillas are warming on the upper shelf of the grill. So I'm all ready to serve. When hatch chiles are in season, my mouth waters for grilled flat iron steak fajitas with roasted hatch chiles. Tender strips of beef tucked into tortillas with grilled onions, peppers, and chiles. And here's a tip, roasted chiles freeze well, so you can enjoy this dish all year round. Take care, find the joy.